Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to quickly go over the fastest way to sum your columns for all the rows of data you have and also average all of them. So if we hold Control Shift down to get to the bottom, let's also go back to the Home tab. So if you go to a column with numbers, this is population data and these are the populations for each country. Go to the bottom, and if you just hold Alt and hit the equal, it automatically auto sums the formula, and then just hit enter, and there you go. Comes back with the sum of the whole row. But this also works if you go to the formulas tab. You can just click auto sum like that. It auto populates. Just hit enter. And if you click down on this, you can also click sum and then just enter. This also works for average and also the count, the numbers of rows in a column above this. So we could do count 235, and we're on row 236, so this counts everything other than the top row. And then we can also average all the ones above, and that comes back with an average. And that's just a quick tutorial for the fastest way to sum your rows. Also find an average, do a count, and also min and max also work. Like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.